What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a beautiful 2016 Harley Davidson Dyna Street Bob Limited. Beautiful bike. It's got the painted red wheels, the chrome wires, charcoal denim paint in excellent condition. It's a flat paint, no clear coat. I didn't see any cosmetic issues on this bike. No scratches, no paint chips, nothing. It's got the 103-inch blacked out V-twin. Got the short shot Vance & Hines pipes, forward controls. Got your battery tender pigtail right here. This is a good handling Harley right here. I like the suspension. It's a lighter weight. The 103 in it. It's a lot of fun to ride and very capable in the corners. And the accessories and modifications are endless. It's got good tires front and rear. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. It's got some upgraded grips, look like Avons. Good balance between the chrome and the black on the front end. It's a little wet out here, so that's why there's a little dirt and grass on the tires. Handlebars are real comfortable, almost like a mini, I mean those are the factory handlebars, but they're kind of like a mini ape hanger setup. Very comfortable, very sporty. And this bike's only got 6,114 miles. Bike runs great, no issues there. This thing's ready to go. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.